Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to get a loan on Experian in 2025. If you're looking to secure a loan through this trusted credit bureau, you're in the right place. Experian has evolved a lot by 2025, making it easier than ever to access loans tailored to your credit profile. Let's break this down step by step so you can feel confident navigating the process. First things first, start by checking your credit score on Experian. Head to their website or app, it's free, and log in or create an account. Your credit score is like your financial report card. It determines what loans you qualify for and at what interest rates. In 2025, Experian uses advanced AI to give you personalized insights, so take a moment to review any recommendations they provide. Once you're clear on your score, explore Experian's loan marketplace. This feature connects you with lenders based on your profile, offering options for personal loans, auto loans, or even debt consolidation. Click on the Loans section. Answer a few quick questions about your loan needs, like how much you want to borrow and for what purpose, and Experian will match you with pre-qualified offers. Remember, this is a soft inquiry, so it won't hurt your credit score. Next, select an offer that fits your budget. Compare interest rates, terms, and fees carefully. In 2025, many loans through Experian come with perks like flexible repayment options or integration with your credit monitoring tools. If you like an offer, apply directly through the platform. You'll need to provide documents like ID, income proof, and bank details, but the process is streamlined and often digital. Before you hit submit, here's a pro tip. Always read the fine print. Watch out for hidden fees and ensure the loan aligns with your financial goals. If your credit isn't great, consider improving it first by paying down debts or disputing errors on your Experian report. Wrapping this up, getting a loan on Experian in 2025 is straightforward and user-friendly, but it's all about being informed. If you follow these steps, you'll be on your way to securing the funds you need. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips, and hit the like button if this helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.